Items you should be buying at Walmart on their Black Friday deals. Black Friday has begun at Walmart, and I did some market research. I have found some insane Walmart deals, and I always think the electronics deals get the best around Cyber Week and Black Friday, so let's jump in. The Beats headphones are now down to $69, which actually is a better price than on Amazon on deal. So best deals at Walmart. You can have 40 hours of listening time, and I'm telling you, the sound quality on these are next level. Also, they're extremely comfortable on your ears for a long wearing, and they come in a few color options. Let's chat some wireless charging stations specifically for the iPhone. I was pretty shocked to see this price difference. On Walmart, you can save $35, which is going to be bringing down the charging station to below $15. And on Amazon, we are seeing it 56% off, but it's $40. So again, much better price at Walmart. These are great to keep around your home and your office, as it's a 3-in-1 charging station for your AirPods, Apple Watch, and your iPhone. Cyber Week's an amazing time to consider picking up a new TV if you've been holding off for one. We've gotten them in the past on Black Friday. Now this is a smart TV. We're seeing it on sale now for $498 for 75-inch TV. That is an insane deal. This also does have the auto game mode, which automatically will enable game mode for the lowest possible endpoint. So if you're into gaming or someone in your household is, that might make all of the difference. We're also seeing some great deals on computers, specifically laptops. So my personal favorite, I'm a Windows through and through, the HP 15.6-inch laptop. You can save $229 right now on Walmart, which would bring the price drop down to $320. Also, can we take a moment on how iPhones these days are way more expensive than computers? It depends what model you get, obviously, but it's insane how expensive iPhones are. And this HP is an 8 GB with a hard state drive. Major discounts on some restored Apple products. We're seeing the Apple iPad, the 10.2-inch, 32 gig down to $229. So you're saving about $106. And then we're seeing $200 off of the MacBook Pro with 128 gig, which is going to bring it down to below $300. So there's some restored options if you're in the market. Moving along to some home items, you can get a plush bath towel down to $174. Now this is for a single bath towel. Quality is 10 out of 10. And the sale works on the gray and the white. I highly recommend these cotton ones because they're durable, they wash well over time, and cotton does a really good job at absorbing the moisture in your body when you get out of the shower. Wrinkle-free sheets we're seeing under $30. And these are the 1200 thread count, wrinkle resistant, which we all love. It's available in full, queen, and king sizing, and comes in your classic white as well as 2 other color options. So you're saving about $23.60, which is going to bring the price drop down to around $30. Now that will fluctuate just a little bit depending on if you get the king or the full size. Let's chat some robo vacuums, specifically Shark. This is the IQ 2-in-1 robot. So hands off, it also does come with a mop, which is great. No spots missed. The mopping function is genius. It actually scrubs your floor 100 times per minute to get up those like little stains. We're seeing a price drop down to $188, which is insane on Walmart. And we're seeing these range from $300 to $400 on Amazon. So that's a really great deal. Snag it on Walmart. I also know upright vacuum, specifically Shark is my favorite, is always a popular item around this time. But those deals are actually better on Amazon, so I'm gonna hold off and wait to share those. If you love all of these sale videos, tons of really great videos coming your way. You wanna make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future deal videos. We're seeing this beautiful stainless steel 4-piece knife set down to below $40, which is a fantastic deal for 14 stainless steel knives. And I can't get over how gorgeous this set is. Air purifiers, I have really recently learned how mold in our homes can affect us. Not only mold, but just our air quality and things like that. So here's a really great price point for an air purifier that you could consider grabbing. You're gonna save $75 on this, so it brings it down to $44. So you're saving more than you're actually spending. You've been waiting for Black Friday to snag a tree. One of their top selling items, the 6-foot flocked pre-lit tree, we're seeing on sale below $90 and you're saving $169. Wow, it's a good thing you waited. Or if you're looking to add a new Christmas tree somewhere else in your home, that's a fantastic deal. And you also can grab the best-selling mini lights. You can save $10, which brings them under $10 right now. Ladies, my jaw about dropped. The best-selling scuba knit sweatshirt and jogger set is on deal right now. These sold out so quickly in past and they've tried to restock them. The sweatshirt is down to 16 as well as the jogger. Let me tell you, if you know the Spanx Air Essentials set like this, they're well over $100. These are so similar. I mean, they're the fabric that feels like it gets softer with every wash, buttery soft. Run and grab these. I foresee these selling out very quickly, but I wear my true to size small in the top and the bottom. This backpack purse, we are seeing a price drop of $14.99. It does come in a wide range of color options. Mamas, I feel like this backpack version is my favorite with little kiddos, so this could also function as a diaper bag, also could work great for school too. If you have had your eye on the UGG Taz Look for Less, UGG is always a very popular item to gift around this season. Here's a great look for less. You're saving $33, which is going to bring it down to just below 17. And I size up 1/2 size in these styles just so my feet don't kind of sit on the back and that can be uncomfortable to walk in. If you're in need of a new winter coat, this quilted winter puffer coat, you are saving $58 on, which is going to bring it down to $26.99, which is honestly like unheard of for a good quality puffer coat. This comes in 4 different colors and this is online only. A lot of these deals are online only. Insane deal on this bracelet and earring. You can get an 18K white gold bracelet, $102 off. Just going to bring it down to $22.99. It's in the white gold, yellow gold, and rose gold, and then the earrings, which I have been obsessed with for I think 3 years now. The lowest price I've seen these, they're $99 off, which brings them down to $15.99. So both of these would be stunning gift ideas for yourself or for someone else. They're so comfortable in your ears and they do not feel heavy. Reebok sneakers are making a comeback. They have deals on ones for men and women. These were originally $70, now they're down to $52. Great walking shoe. And I wear my true to size 9 in Reebok sneakers. My jaw about dropped when I saw this luggage deal. You are saving $405 on this 4-piece luggage set. It's gonna bring the whole set down to $94.99. Yes, $94.99. It's lightweight. It also features a TSA lock, 360 wheel rotation, which is a game changer. Heated fleece vests. These are great for people who work out in the elements, maybe out in the cold. These are the perfect base layer for cold weather. That heat power can last up to 10 hours, which is really, really good. And it has 3 adjustable heat settings. So a really thoughtful, great gift idea. Now, a few fantastic deals for kids and babies. You can save $159 on the double way stroller. And it's a whole frame to help save you space. Soft fabric that's non-toxic and breathable. This is perfect for 0 to 36 months. It would be down to $119.99. My 7-month-old just started solid, so we are in need of a new high chair. You can grab the 8-in-1 high chair that actually can function into a booster seat later on, so it will grow with your little one. You can save $80 right now on Walmart, online only, and which will bring it down to $79, which honestly for a style like this is really, really great price point. My little guy is hooked on his little electric car, Porsche little kiddo car, $120 off, which is gonna bring it down to $169.99. And I remember seeing this on deal on like a Prime Day. When Prime Day was running, Walmart was running a competing one, and this is a better deal than that. And it comes in a black, pink, white, and yellow option. So that is it for today's Walmart early Black Friday deals. Tons of really great sale videos coming your way you're not gonna wanna miss.